Hey guys, welcome back to this garage. We got a very special video for you today. I've done something in this garage for the better. I've changed an opener. It's not that one. We have a T-rail with a old release handle. Oh yeah, look at that. Model 3850P from 10 of 10. Yeah, I put in a 3850P in this garage. Nothing wrong with the 8355. Sitting over there, just stationary. I only took it down to put a video out of a 3850P on the door. The CHI 9x7 5283 stamped carriage house short panel door. Polystyrene insulation, by the way. But yeah, 3850P. Never been installed in this garage before. Never had a 3850 in here. So yeah, until today. The only thing I'll say about this is a little bad news. This was a used one on eBay. And you guys got to be careful on eBay because they will rip you off. And I'm telling you, rip you off. This actually has a bad circuit board in it, but it does run. The problem with the unit is if we walk over here, because I was going to make it real special for you guys. I was going to show you the 398 LM, but there's no power to it because the circuit board's bad. It's bad at the terminals. You can short it at the red and white terminal. It will not run the opener. So everything else works. Remote works. Limits set fine. The soft stop at the top does not work very well. It pretty much stops abruptly. So I'm going to say it either needs a travel module or maybe remedy with a new board. I will put a new board in this unit though because this unit is super quiet. Like this is probably half as loud as my 6690L. This is the way they should sound. Yeah, I'm ragging on LiftMaster a little, but you know what? Why would you ever go away from something like this to something that's not as good? Now, I suppose corporate greed, but who knows? Anyway, I'm rambling. I even have a 373P. Look at that. And the proximity remote, like I was talking about in the other video. See that? That's how those work. Let's get a good angle here and we'll step back and we'll run it. That is so freaking quiet. I mean, it's so refreshing to hear something like that. God, I wish they made them like this still. That doesn't scream quality. I don't know what does. That beautiful red case. And yes, you can see the EverCharge logos. That's what I was talking about the other day in the other video. This is, by the way, not the same unit I showed in the other video. This is another one I have. Let's get a real close-up, personal listen. I hate to say it, that's quieter than the 8355. I mean, usually these DC motors are so whiny and obnoxious, but I guess I got so used to the 8550 and up units. Let me get a top view for you. machine. Let me get a view over here now. Not bad for their first 12 volt DC motor. You run it down. I mean, you hear more door than opener. That's beautiful. Okay, let's, I'll run it up and we'll do an outside shot. Let me shut the lights off so you can see the opener through the glass. And which, by the way, those license plates at the back do not reference this house, so don't even try. Okay, let me come over here. I can't show my work vehicle. Back down. As you can see, yeah, that soft stop's pretty weak up top, almost non-existent. Bring it down, I'll give you a sensor test. Okay, when we bring her back down, we'll do a force test. As you can see, it really goes up fast when the force is detected. We'll shut her down and that'll be it. Stay tuned. This is one of 2 openers we're going to show on this door today. I have to run back up to my house and get the other one. So it'll be later. It'll be a late upload for the next one, and hopefully that one, the smart panel, will work. It's not another 3850. That's all I'm going to say. Enjoy.